Chow.
Brake fluid is hygroscopic, which means it absorbs moisture from the atmosphere. It is recommended to replace your brake fluid every couple of years so that it doesn't boil or corrode. When performing a brake fluid flush, always make sure to use a brand new bottle of fluid. Be careful not to spill brake fluid on yourself or the car, as it is very corrosive. A brake fluid flush is easiest performed with two people, one person who can push on the brake pedal and one person who can open the bleeder valves. You're going to start by breaking all the lug nuts loose and preparing to jack the car up all the way around. I like to put jack stands under the front two lift points and then just use a jack for the third lift point, and that will usually lift the entire car off the ground. If you need help with jacking up your car, please see my other video. Next, you'll locate your brake fluid reservoir. On the top, it will say whether you need .3 or .4 fluid. It's a good idea to spend a little time with a turkey baster to suction out the old fluid and wipe out the master cylinder. Then you're going to complete the brake fluid flush, keeping the reservoir full the entire time. The sequence for doing a brake fluid flush is to find the reservoir and start with the wheel that's furthest away from the reservoir. So if the reservoir is on the driver's side, you're going to start in the back right corner. If the reservoir is on the passenger side, you're going to start in the back left corner. I like to use a tube inserted into an old bottle to catch the brake fluid waste. Make sure you're constantly checking the level of brake fluid in the reservoir and topping it off. A call is made out to the second person who is sitting with their foot ready on the brake pedal. When you say down, they should push the pedal down and you can open the valve. Then you close the valve and say up when they take their foot off the pedal. Repeat this process 6 to 10 times for each wheel. This allows fluid to come out of the caliper, but no air to go back in. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe below.